Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Peacock TV subscription. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to Peacock on your browser, and keep in mind that you cannot actually cancel your subscription by using their application on your phone. You should open the browser, and I will show you how to do so using your laptop or PC and using your mobile phone. So first, when you are on your laptop, you should go to their website, then log in into your account, then go up to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Once you click on it, you will see this page. Now click on this settings icon on the top right corner, then it will jump you directly to your account settings. You should choose plans and payment, then it will show you here your plan. You can simply click on cancel plan right here with the red color, then it will show you this page. Now you have to simply click on cancel plan right here, and after you click on cancel, it will show you this message: success, your paid plan has been cancelled, and they will also send you a confirmation email. Now let me show you how to do it exactly on the phone. Now the steps are the same. You should also go to the browser, then log in with your account and go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture right here. Once you click on it, click on this gear icon on the top right corner. It will jump you directly to your account settings, choose plans and payment, and here in this section you will find your subscription, and you will find a button saying cancel plan. You should click on it and you will also get an email confirming the cancellation. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.